Okay, removing the jets here. This plug here came out of this hole located right here. Okay, and in that hole there was this little seat, I guess you would call it. Drops right down in that hole there. Okay, and then there was a cap, a plug a plug that went in this hole, just to the top of that one, to the left. And underneath that there is a jet. Okay. Okay, and this venturi goes right in here like this, and this one goes right in here like this. Okay. Underneath both of those there are a couple of what looks like gaskets down in the bottom of the hole. Okay. A couple of gaskets down there.